Right one. Thank you. Honorable members, the 2-week-long first part of this budget session concluded today. I am happy to inform you that this part of the session has been quite productive, with the House clocking 99% productivity. The productivity of the House during this week has been 113%, as against the productivity of 82% during the first week, as against the total scheduled time of 45 hours, 4 minutes. Net of only 30 minutes have been lost due to disruptions. This part of the session has been one of the debate and discussions with a total of 27 hours and 11 minutes, accounting for over 60% of the total functional time spent on discussing motion of thanks to the President and the general budget for 21-22. About 100 members spoke on these two subjects alone, as against the total loss of 4 hours 24 minutes during the first week. The members sat for an extra 3 hours 54 minutes during the second week. A total of 88 issues of public importance have been raised. Those include 56 Jurova and 32 special mentions. 55 starred questions were orally answered. 3 bills were passed: the J&K Reorganization Amendment Bill 2000, the National Capital Territory of Delhi Law Special Provisions Amendment Bill 2021, and the Major Ports Authority Bill 2020. But this is the position as of now. We still have to go for the second part. I only appeal to the members not to miss any standing committee meetings. Please see to it that you attend all the standing committee meetings and make contribution also. I feel I feel sorry to miss you, Azad ji, Mohammad Fayaz, Shamsher Singh Manhas, and also Nazir Ahmad Ravek. I wish you all the best, as I have said earlier. And with this, we will be concluding this part of the session. The House stands adjourned till 9 a.m. on Monday, the 8th March 2021.